Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be looking at the different types of triangle we have, and we are going to be taking an example. On the board here, we have different diagrams of triangle. Now, in the first triangle, we can see we have a triangle, and we have two marks here. This triangle is called an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides and two angles equal. For instance, if this side is 40 degree, this side will also be 40 degree. So it means this is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. In the second triangle, we have a triangle known as equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three sides equal. If this side is 4, this will be 4, this will be 4. And it also has three angles equal. If this is 60, this is going to be 60, and this is going to be 60. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle with three equal sides and three equal angles. While an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides and two equal angles. Now we have scaling triangle. Scaling triangle is a triangle that has no equal sides and no equal angles. It means all the three sides have different angles and different sides. For instance, if this is 4, this can be 5 and this can be 8. And if this is 40, this can be 50, this can be 90. So all the three sides are not equal. They are called, this type of triangle is called a scaling triangle. Then we also have an acute angle triangle. An acute triangle is a triangle that has all the three angles to be less than 90 degrees. For instance, if we have 40, 60, 80, we can see that all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. So an acute angle triangle is a triangle that has all the three sides to be less than 90 degrees. Then we also have obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle that has one angle that is greater than 90 degrees. For instance, this can be 106, and the rest, or let's say this can be 100, and maybe here can be 50, or here can be 30. So it has one angle greater than 90 degrees. Then we also have a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle that has one angle to be equals to 90 degrees. So this angle is equals to 90 degrees. Let's take an example based on what we just learned. So in this question here, we have a triangle, and based on what we learned, when we see a triangle with this mark, we know it is an isosceles triangle. And an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two equal angles and two equal sides. So let's see. In this triangle, we have 48 degrees, we have angle F, and we also have angle G. We are supposed to find angle F and G. But this side is unknown and this side is unknown. But because it is an isosceles triangle, if this side is F, this angle is F, it means this angle is also going to be F. So I'm going to write F here because it is an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal angles and two equal sides. So in order to find angle F, remember that we have learned in this class that an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal angles and two equal sides. We have also learned in the previous class that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So that means 48 degrees plus angle F is equals to 180 degrees because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So this becomes 48 degrees plus 2F is equals to 180 degrees. 2F becomes 180 minus 48. So 2F becomes 180 minus 48 is 132. So F will be equals to 132 divided by 2, because in order to get f, you have to divide both sides by 2. And when you say 2f divided by 2, you get f. 132 divided by 2 gives 66 degrees. So we have f to be 66 degrees. So I can just reconstruct the triangle. Reconstructing the triangle, we have 48 degrees. We have angle F. Angle F is 66 degrees, so I'm going to write 66. And here is also 66 because it is an isosceles triangle. And then we have angle G, which is unknown. Angle G is unknown. Now, because angle G and angle 66 degree are on a straight line, so we say angle G and 66 are on straight line. And we have learned in the previous class that angles on a straight line are supplementary. It means they add up to 180 degrees. So 66 degrees plus G is equals to 180 degrees. G is going to equal to 180 minus 66 degrees. So when you subtract 66 from 180, you have 114 degrees. Thank you for listening. Book the ALC tutors for your personalized online chemistry class and mathematics class at an affordable price. Follow the ALC tutor for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.